Right, we're receiving visuals of a massive landslide in Uttarakhand's Chamoli. Highway has been shut due to this massive landslide. Scary visuals that's now emerged coming in from Uttarakhand. Landslide over a tunnel highway. In fact, at this point we hear the Joshimath Badrinath highway has been fully shut. Big visuals coming in of the Uttarakhand landslide. Remember, this is monsoon season. Episodes like this are going to become common. But at this point, authority is taking precautions, ensuring that the highways there have been shut. Of course, it will inconvenience people along the highway. Joshimath and Badrinath highway, for the moment, has been shut.
देख सकते हो आप बहुत खतरनाक टनल का कोई हिसाब किताब नहीं रहेगा यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा आ गया पहाड़ का टनल टूट चुका होगा मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप देख सकते हैं गुम्बद यहाँ पे सामने दिख रहा कितना डेंजरस लग रहा है ऐसा लग रहा बादल है लेकिन ये बादल नहीं है आप इसको देख सकते हैं कितना डेंजर ये पूरी पहाड़ी आ गई नीचे कहीं ना कहीं टनल को नुकसान होगा यहाँ पे मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे और बद्री विशाल की कृपा रही यहाँ पे कोई गाड़ी नहीं आ रही थी यहाँ पे अभी भगवान जी की प्रसन्नता से बहुत ही डेंजरस बहुत खतरनाक भगवान की
ये लोग कैसे पत्थर गिरते हैं अपने आप ये देखिए ये देखिए ये देखिए कितना भयानक मंजर ये देखिए
Well, we're seeing this massive landslide, images coming in from Uttarakhand, and that's led to highways that have been blocked. The Badrinath and the Joshimath highways have been shut for the moment. This is a viral video showing a large portion of the hill quite literally crumbling, falling onto the road. We're looking at the onset of monsoon. Several parts of India facing this kind of disruption, flood-like situation. Uttarakhand landslides aren't very uncommon. This in the latest showing how a part of the hill has literally come crumbling down and disrupted the Joshimath and Badrinath highways. The roads have for now been blocked off. Let me quickly cut across to Ankit joining us on the phone line, our correspondent. Ankit, please take it away on this landslide that we see, huge landslides in Uttarakhand. I hope no one's injured. What measures have the administration taken?
Well, Navila, we know that Joshimath has always been a sensitive zone. Last year, we did ground reports on Joshimath's subsidence issue, and that's still prevailing. Recently, yesterday, there was a big landslide on Joshimath Badrinath highway, and because of that, huge, massive rubble came on road, and there were boulders as well. And luckily, there was no one around that could have come under the ambit of such a massive caving in of the whole mountain. Now, another visuals have dreadful visuals have come in light, wherein at 11 a.m. This mountain caused a landslide, and you can see a big smoke, and you can say that a big globe of cloud can be seen of muck and debris falling down, and people can be seen, can be heard whistling and shouting, so that on the other side no one comes under danger. And now the administration have shut down the Badrinath People Koti highway. NH7 is completely closed. Luckily, there was no one around, so no one is injured yet. And the administration has releasing the warning and issuing alerts so that no one should be around that area. Now, this is one of the most sensitive zones, and because of the monsoon, after the sunlight with full beam came out, and this has become a very sensitive area because there are incidents of mountains coming down with muck and rubble on the highways. So it is pretty much dangerous to travel these days. Nabila.
Yeah, sure. That's looking quite scary. We're hoping the people don't venture into those areas. For the moment, monsoons is a time when we see visuals of such nature. Uttarakhand is susceptible to landslides during the monsoons. We see the large portions of a hill crumbling, falling to the ground, in fact blocking off highways along the Badrinath and Joshimath region.
डेंजर, ये पूरी पहाड़ी आ गई नीचे, कहीं ना कहीं टनल को नुकसान होगा यहाँ।